And City Utilities Director Mike Caprella says with the extended rainfall, his office has been busy with flooding in houses over the last 24 hours. Well, that's the bad news of the rainfall. He says once the rain eventually stops, the extra water in the local rivers can lend a helping hand to Lima's reservoirs.
Now we're going to be able to pump some water out of the river into the reservoirs. So it's been a real dry summer, believe it or not. A lot of people say it was a wet. No, it was not a wet summer. It was a dry summer. And if you looked at the rivers, either the Ottawa River or the Auglaize River, there was no flow in them for months. So we haven't been able to replenish any water back into reservoirs for a long time.
Caprella added that the extended rainfall was a bit much for the city's overflow tank, which was designed for intermittent rain.